In page 123 of the textbook, they'd show you how to do the cross product. And there are different methods for doing the cross product, and I do one that's different than any in the book. It's not better, it's just easiest for me to memorize. So I'm going to give you an example of how to do it. So we're going to start with A cross B. So I start by drawing out a matrix. And I do 2 extra columns. And I have AX, AY, AZ, AX, AY, BX, BY, BZ, BX, BY. And then the diagonals from the upper left to the lower right are all added. So we have AY, BZ in the I direction, AZ, BY or BX in the J direction, and AX, BY in the K direction. And then from the bottom left to the upper right, we subtract those off. So negative AY, BX in the K direction minus AZ, BY in the I direction, and then minus AX, BX in the J direction. And then if we gather up the I's and the J's and the K's, you get the same answer that's in the book. So let's do an example where A equals 2 in the I plus 3 in the J minus 3 in the K, and B equals negative 6 in the I, negative J, and 2K. Two, 3, negative 3, 2, 3, negative 6, negative 1, 2, negative 6, negative 1. So then we have 6 in the I, double negatives, 18 in the J, negative 2 in the K. Now we have a negative because we're going up, and a negative there, so that's 2 negatives. Becomes a positive. That becomes triple negatives. So we have a negative 3 in the I, and then negative 4 in the J. So we'll combine the I's, and we get 3 in the I. Combine the J's, and we get 14 in the J. Combine the K's, and we get 16 in the K. And that's how I do it.